Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SHIBA token. SHIBA, all one word, is the name of this token. This is a Binance Smart Chain token, BEP20 token, which just got a brand new, very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 18th. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, we are excited to announce the upcoming new spot listing of the SHIBA token on WEEX, and it will be listed tomorrow, March 18th, 9 a.m. UTC time. So if you haven't tried WEEX yet, it's a new, very cool central exchange, lots of new user bonuses and things like that. But this token will be listed there tomorrow. So if you're looking to get the SHIBA token and you don't have a WEEX account, I do have a WEEX referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that WEEX referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section tomorrow and search SBBTC, and then simply just buy the token. Now, on WEEX, they have the ticker symbol as SBBTC, but I see on their webpage they also refer to the ticker symbol as SHIBTC as well. So just be aware of the difference there. But yes, it is available tomorrow on WEEX. So SHIBA is a BEP20 token built on the Binance Smart Chain, designed as a secure, accessible, and highly efficient cryptocurrency payment solution, bridging traditional and digital ecosystems. Built to meet the demands of both everyday transactions and advanced digital applications. SHIBA leverages BSC's low-cost, high-speed network to deliver unmatched utility and reliability with comprehensive integrations across real-world and digital platforms. SHIBA is strategically positioned to be the go-to cryptocurrency for seamless, cost-effective payments designed to equip users with instant transactions, real-world purchasing power, and interoperability across diverse systems. SHIBA is the future of a secure, universally accessible digital payment. Now, SHIBA mission is to enable a seamless, secure payment experience that integrates cryptocurrency into the core of everyday life by building a flexible currency that adapts to both traditional and emerging digital spaces. SHIBA aims to cultivate a global payment ecosystem where users can easily transact across various sectors with confidence. Our vision is to make SHIBA a universally recognized and trusted cryptocurrency that bridges the digital ecosystem with the physical, supporting payments across a wide spectrum from household utilities to virtual assets. We envision SHIBA not just as a currency, but as a financial gateway that supports diverse use cases and unlocks the full potential of digital and decentralized finance. Now, SHIBA as a payment solution, it's designed to address the practical needs of everyday users with fast, affordable, and accessible payment options. Now, they're solving problems here like limited real-world utility of cryptocurrencies, high transaction fees and slow processing times in traditional payments, lack of privacy and security in digital payments, complexity and lack of accessibility in cryptocurrency payments, limited use cases for existing payment tokens, barriers to merchant adoption of cryptocurrencies, fragmented and limited cross-platform compatibility, and inefficiencies in traditional loyalty and rewards programs. So their market opportunities is a growing demand for cryptocurrency payments, target audiences and market segmentation, competitive advantages of ShibaBitcoin, emerging trends of how ShibaBitcoin addresses them, and they have different products. One of them is called JadeNex. Now, JadeNex is the dedicated payment application that enables users to transact with ShibaBitcoin effortlessly across various sectors. As the central platform within the ShibaBitcoin ecosystem, JadeNex serves as the bridge between digital assets and traditional payment systems, combining the ease of cryptocurrency with the familiarity of conventional payment solutions. So the core functions of JadeNex is the fiat conversion with Visa and MasterCard integration, tiered card options, in-app rewards and discounts, and user-friendly interface and real-time monitoring. So JadeNex's role is expanding ShibaBitcoin's reach with seamless user experience, increased merchant adoption, security and compliance, and reoccurring payments and utility integration. So the integration of ShibaBitcoin with JadeNex is at the center of the ecosystem, enabling a cohesive and user-friendly experience that brings the benefits of cryptocurrency to both digital and physical transactions. They have real-world payments, digital transactions, and beyond, and driving adoption and usability. So they have the future development of ShibaBitcoin and JadeNex, including cross-chain compatibility, DeFi and dApp integration, and advanced privacy features. Now, there's 18 decimal places on this token. There is a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens, BEP20 token, and the use cases is for NFTs and metaverse payments, everyday transactions for goods and services, AI gaming and in-game purchases, global money remittance, residential utilities, and reoccurring payments. Now, 30% of the tokens go to public sale, 25% go to ecosystem growth and incentives, 15% go to strategic partnerships and marketing. We have 15% going to community rewards and engagement programs, 10% going to development and technical upgrades, 5% team and advisors, and that is basically it. So you can check out the full roadmap, document section, everything on their webpage, ShibaBitcoin.com. You can find this token newly listed as of tomorrow on WEEX. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.